120 per lock and 240 and service fee. Вот тобі і Америка. Курочки, петушки ходять. Hi. You need locksmith?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here. Oh, you need to open door house. Ah. Okay.
Yeah.
This is just this or a second door too?
Second door.
Okay. Oop. Just doorknob, yeah?
Yeah.
Your key inside, yeah?
Yeah, only inside. Yes.
I was surprised that I needed to open the front door because on the phone she said it was a room that needed to open. Two locks keyed alike, but open it using different methods. It's quite a common situation.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. Welcome.
Okay. How much this one?
It's 120 per lock.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he sent me 120 per lock and 240 and service call fee.
Wow. 104 for you. Por ustedes. Por no te preguntar.